This video guide will help you to get rid of the ransomware called nissenvelten. Nissenvelten. Our team has discovered the nissenvelten ransomware while checking the VirusTotal database for recently submitted malware samples. After testing this ransomware, it has been concluded that it encrypts files and appends the special extension called nissenvelten-sjj3hhut. So I will demonstrate to you how exactly it happens. So before the ransomware attack, customers can open their files without any complications. They can open pictures, music, all other data. Unfortunately, it might happen that this nissenvelten ransomware may be injected, so pretty soon people realize that the files have been damaged. Whenever they try to open the files, they notice that this special extension, nissenvelten-sjj3hhut, was added to all the files. The ransomware then tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom does not mean that your files would be restored. In fact, if you pay the ransom, you could simply lose your money for nothing. The ransomware tells the victims to use these email addresses for contacting its developers. But there is no point to contact these developers because, as we have said before, there is no guarantee that your files would be recovered. First thing you should do is to check the task manager and carefully look for suspicious processes that could be running in the background. Typically, the ransomware has got the long random processes with random names. If you find them here, right-click on them and end their task in order to help you save at least some of your files from being damaged. After that, we recommend you to remove this ransomware. We suggest that you select Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware for this purpose. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button. Install the application and start examining your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection. Then, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins researching your device. It will then give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got its superb anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So after the scanning is over, you will see the full summary of threats. Even though you may remove each threat manually, we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license to delete these threats automatically and to protect your system in the future.